Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix script hook 5 critical error, right? So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, click the link in the description below and go to this file here that I provide you in this video description and download it to your computer, right? Download anyway. And once the file is downloaded, then just open file location. Then you just need to right click on it and extract it, right? For me is WinRAR. Then copy these 4 files, Control C, and then go to your GTA 5. I'm using Steam, but it's quite easy to find it. Just go to Library, GTA 5, Properties. If you're using Epic Games, basically it's the same. Install files, browse, right? And then on the file directory, then just press Control V and replace 4 files, right? And after that, you should not be getting any errors. So yeah, that's pretty much it.